Okay, it's officially carpet time. Got all the stereo wires laid out. I've got the airbag unplugged and unbolted. There's like 4 bolts in here. And I've got the holes punched into the sound deadening. And then of course I've got this loose and ready to go. So we're ready for carpet, and I have, I wanted to get everything else done before we put carpet in, because otherwise I'm just tracking stuff around, moving around. Got the stereo in, got the dash in, got the headliner in, looks amazing. Got the pods in, got this cleaned up, got this all ready for subs, hopefully 210s, speakers in, everything's ready to go. And that's kind of what you want. You want to just, put the carpet in, put the seat back in, you're done. Seat brackets are cleaned up and painted. We'll do that in another video. We'll do the seat video. And then of course, we have the carpet. I did do Auto Customs carpet. It's like 200 and something. It's just way easier and better than time consuming than trying to clean the old one. Now every time I get carpet for a vehicle, I do get the heavy carpet and the heavy liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this out, lay it out in the vehicle. I'll pop back on when it's in there, and we'll finish up the video. I'm not obviously sponsored or affiliate with these people, but I'll still leave a link where I got this. Yeah, so we'll pop back in and we'll just do the finger snappy thing. Maybe it'll be in the truck. Okay, we got the follow-up. We got the new carpet in. It took me a couple hours just because I took my time. What you really want to do is you want to find these molds in the carpet, line them up with this, because you've got extra carpet on here, you've got extra carpet back here, you've got extra carpet in the front. So you want to, find where the molding is here for these corners, set those, and then just slowly work back. Be very careful not to cut these short. I've done that before, and I mean, there's no going back. Yeah, looks great. Slowly worked it in. Now it just needs to kind of set and do its thing. We have all the frames cleaned and painted now. Just waiting for one of them to dry, and then we'll put the seats back in. We'll put the panels on here shortly. And yeah, this thing's looking great. I mean, this thing is so cleaned up from where it started. It looks amazing, smells great, and yeah, excited to see where we go from here. So next will be seats, and then we'll start. We have a leveling kit. So the front is 2.5 inches shorter than the back, and we have a leveling kit, and we'll walk through that and do that. I got 2.5 inch, which is kind of right at the boundary you want to push without changing the control arms. I probably should change the control arms anyway, which are those, because it's just going to change the angles too much. So that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.